Today we begin with Governor Abbott's response to the shootings in Midland and Odessa. The death toll is now sitting at 7, 2 more than what was reported last night. Governor Abbott was of course pressed on gun safety issues today as he visited Odessa and held a press conference there. He pointed to daily meetings he's held with local, state, and federal agencies to identify solutions since the last mass shooting in El Paso. And as KETA's Austin correspondent Steffi Lee shows us, there's a strong sense of urgency to get something done.
This mass shooting here in the Midland-Odessa region just comes a few days after the Governor Greg Abbott held 2 meetings in response to the El Paso shooting. Lawmakers say these conversations need to continue, but they're quite complicated. While investigators continued working at the scene Sunday, local and state elected officials joined Governor Greg Abbott in a Sunday news conference at the University of Texas Permian Basin.
Words alone are inadequate. Words must be met with action.
What that action could look like remains a big question. But after 2 mass shootings in less than a month in Texas,
what we cannot do is nothing.
Legislators say all ideas that could keep Texans safe should be on the table.
That's where it gets complex because we have issues in this case to deal with the Second Amendment and private property and things like that, and we have to take all those things in consideration.
We must broaden our efforts to address the tragedy that has befallen Odessa, and we must do so quickly. We need solutions that will keep guns out of the hands of criminals like the killer here in Odessa, while also ensuring that we safeguard Second Amendment rights.
While the legislature won't meet until 2021, a longtime West Texas lawmaker doesn't rule out that steps could be taken before then.
Now, we don't go in session again, in regular session, till a year from January, but the governor could, if he finds something that he thinks will help in some strong laws and gets, won't get a lot of pushback and thinks he can call us into special session.
This active shooting was slightly different for law enforcement because the suspect was on the move. Lawmakers say they'll likely need to study additional ways local, state, and federal agencies can work together to respond to something like this. There's a vigil scheduled for 7 p.m. later tonight, and we'll be there to bring you that coverage later this evening. In Odessa, Steffi Lee, back to you.